No Turning Back is an interactive learning experience from Mission US, public media's award-winning series designed to engage young people in American history. In No Turning Back, players take on the role of Verna Baker, a fictional African-American teen from the Mississippi Delta. Through Verna's experiences, they learn about the challenges of life under segregation in the Jim Crow South, and the important role that youth played in bringing about change during the 1960s civil rights movement. While the larger context and events in No Turning Back are rooted in historical scholarship, the players' choices ultimately shape how Verna experiences and takes action in the 1960s civil rights movement. Based on the choices they make, players earn different badges and gain community connections that help determine the outcome of Verna's story. Throughout the game, players also interact with primary source material from the time and learn key vocabulary by collecting smart words. No Turning Back was developed with input from historical scholars, former SNCC staff, Mississippi community members, youth development experts, and dozens of teachers and students. The website includes an educator guide with resources to support use of the mission in middle school social studies classrooms. For more information about No Turning Back, visit missionus.org.